Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a crop top. So this is the fabric, very beautiful one. It's a crepe material that we are using to make this top. So it's cut together top that we are making. So this is the actual front side of it. The other side is the second side, making it two. So we are cutting it all together. So please watch my channel. This is the fabric that we are using. It's a craft fabric that we'll use and make the front pocket. So you can also use any fabric of your choice to make your own. So you can use any color. If you prefer this color, you can also use it. So now let's go with the measurement. Now this is the weight of the measurement is 11. So it's 11 throughout that I'm marking there. So that is the weight of it. So we start with the length. The length is 17. So it's a crop. That is why we are making it that short length crop top. So it's 17 that we are using to get the length. So now we start with the neck measurement. The neck measurement that I also cut there, I'm chalking, is 4. So to bring it down, I'm using 3. So I don't want it to be too slope, that is the cleavage. So I'm marking 4 there now at the neck. It's a round one that we are cutting, and a crop top that we are making. The material, that is the fabric, is crepe. So you can also use it. I'm just trying to emphasize it for you to know what we are using to make this top. Very beautiful crop that will make out for you to see. And if you have not watched my video, watch it, make a comment and subscribe. For this crop top that we are making, I've already done something like that before. You can also watch my previous video on it so that you can watch and get it. So now I'm sloping it, that is the shoulder side. You slant it, so that is the slanted side that I'm pointing out for you. So that is the crop top that we are making. So what I'm getting there to the armhole side, that is the body measurement is 38. So you now you divide it and add enough, because you don't want it to be too tight, so it will be free one. That's why we are using all the length to get it. Remember I said the weight of the body measurement we are using is 11. So that is it now. So that is the armhole side that I'm pointing for you to. The armhole that I'm chalking there is 8. 8 is what I'm marking there for you. You've seen the chalk is not showing well, but we explain it for you. So sorry for that. It's 8 that I chalked there. So you just for you now to cut, because it's a crop one, so it's not difficult to cut. So this is the material now, and this is the neck that I'm cutting out for you to see. So that is it. So the crop is out, is done. So what you just do, just for you now, to go and stitch on your machine, and you finish it and you wear it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, make a comment. So don't forget, it has the pocket to a front pocket that I've shown you with the Accra. So you just for you now, the length of that pocket that I'm using is 7. So you iron it, fold it and iron it, and go and stitch it on the fabric. So the pocket is out. So can you see how it is? So we just for you now to go to the machine and stitch, and that is the side of it that I'm just trying to trim out to get a straight cutting there. So the cutting is done. So it's a free one, very easy to go. So that is the armhole side that I'm pointing 8 there, and you take it down throughout. So you go and stitch. So this is the finishing of the fabric. I'm just showing you the neck, how it will look. By the time you finish sewing it, it will come out. So this is the actual fabric, this is the actual measurement, this is how it will come out. So just for you now to go to the machine and stitch. So it has done. That is the cutting. So what you do, you see the outcome of it now, the very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Love you. See you in my other video.